Hi everybody, it's Tereese. I am back with another video. Today I'm here to share hashtag Deck the Year, hosted by Penny over at Penny's Crafty Creation. I am on today to share my altered index card, and I think this is a 3.5 by 5 index card. It's a regular size, 5 by, oh, it's 3 by 5 card. I think there's the other size bigger that's 4 by 6, but I had some time today. Today is a holiday, and I sat down and just layered some papers that I had in my stash. I've been using these papers forever. I just have a ton of it. And I haven't really crafted all that much, but I wanted to do something today. I even layered some stickers from the Dollar Tree. Here's a sticker. This is a sticker, and it has little birdies on it. And then this is it's a flat metal bird cage that I secured with a brad. Inked the edges. I stamped fly. I even did some speckle stamps. I don't know if it will focus. Oh, goodness. Maybe it will focus now. Oh boy, it's having a hard time. So let me take autofocus off. Okay. So that is my card for this week. I want to thank everybody for watching. Have a great week, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, everyone.